Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch RSB-6 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this soundbar is not connecting to your device, or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, not responding, any issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to delete all the pairing history, all the settings off of it, so you can set this up basically like it's new coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do that quite simply. All we need to do is, with it powered on, we're just going to come ahead and find the volume up and volume down buttons right here, and we're going to press and hold the two of those buttons simultaneously for several seconds until basically all of the lights and everything on the soundbar go out. That will indicate that the factory reset is complete, at which point you can go ahead and turn it back on and set this soundbar up basically like it's a brand new soundbar coming out of the box for the first time.